All right, folks, the saga continues. Guess what? My ABS brakes, again, is giving me a fault code. And what's different from before to now is that the ABS system works and works fine. There's no codes when the car is cold. After you ride it for an hour or 30 minutes, it gets hot, it gives me the error again. I went ahead and scanned it. I send the scan codes to the repair center. I return the ABS unit. They return it back to me, and it was a relay or several relays that were damaged. So I'm fixing two issues with this, which I didn't know before, but now I do. This car had a battery drainage problem. Once I unhooked the ABS unit, guess what? I no longer had a drainage problem, battery drainage problem. So guess what? I'm fixing the battery issue, and I'm fixing the ABS. So let's get to it. All right, folks, let's open the box that I got from Auto Truck Electronics in West Palm Beach. Actually, they were great over the phone. They helped me. I provided the codes, and they knew exactly what was going on. And it's an intermittent issue, especially when the car gets hot. And that's when all the faults come in. Look at that. Look how well they packed it, by the way. Yeah, look how well they packed this thing. I'm telling you, I'm very happy with them. I'm not happy it took this long to fix the problem, but it was not an issue in their end. It was my issue. Look at this. They packed it very well. So here's my original unit. They replace, I don't know which relays inside in there, but everything should function well once I plug it in and clear the codes. Let's see. All right, well, it gives you instructions on how to plug in the ABS module. And you know what? I never do. I need to disconnect the battery. The very first thing it says is disconnect the battery. When have we ever disconnected the battery? Never.
No, but you've talked about it twice.
But I did mention to all the viewers you have to disconnect the battery. Don't make the same mistake I do, because you can actually burn the unit. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery this time and just go ahead and install it. So let's disconnect the battery. Luckily for me, check this out, right? Battery is disconnected, guys. Battery is connected. Battery disconnected. This is easy. No plugs. That's right. We can post the previous video installing the quick battery disconnect, and actually measures the battery too as well. Get all of them, yeah. We're going to be using a Torque T20. I don't know if you can see it, but look down here. Let's see if you can film that. The manifold for this car, and this car gets very high. See, I mean, there's barely no space in this engine. I mean, it gets so hot. I think it's actually faulting and burning the ABS unit. So we're gonna put a heat shield later on, and we're gonna show you how to do that. All right, so let's tighten this up, and I think we're gonna be okay. So how do you install this? You just pull this thing out, right? You place it, just put some pressure, and it doesn't work like that.
A little more pressure.
Yeah, a little more pressure. There you go. Now it will. There you go. See? And now it's sat down. And this one is for the windshield washer. Let's put this one in. All right, folks, now that we got the ABS module installed, we're gonna turn on the battery or install the battery, which for me is just click it. And we're gonna look at the codes, clear the codes, take it for a ride and see if everything works. So I'm gonna show you the codes that it's giving me. All right, it's plugged in. All right, BMW. Okay. All right, so all the codes are clear, right? With the exception of this one. All right, everything is clear. Let's start it. Let me move the steering wheel from left to right to clear all the codes too as well. All right, let's take the cord out. All right, folks, we cleared the codes and the car is working perfectly. There is no more issues with the ABS system, the Trifecta. Done, fixed. You'll put in the channel who the hell is it with the guys from West Palm Beach, the guys that fixed the damn thing, the ABS unit. You'll put that in the channel. No, actually they were excellent. So we'll go ahead and post the repair center for the ABS unit that actually helped me with it. They're great. So that's it.